In today's video, I'll show you how to embed videos in Microsoft Whiteboard. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Whiteboard website. Make sure to log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the whiteboard where you want to embed a video. Next, open a new tab and go to YouTube. On the YouTube homepage, choose a video you want to embed or search for one. Click the search bar and type the video you want. Scroll down and choose what you prefer. For this example, let me select this. Copy the video's link from the address bar at the top. Go back to your Whiteboard tab and press Ctrl+V to paste the link. You will see the link appear on your whiteboard. When you click it, the video will open in a new tab where you can watch it. You can then go back to the Microsoft Whiteboard tab. You can move the video link anywhere on the board and resize it as needed. Another way to paste the video is to right-click anywhere on the whiteboard and select Paste. This will also add the video link to your board. If you want to remove it, you can delete it at any time. You can also copy it or edit the text. Click the three dots to see more options such as Duplicate, Bring to Front, Send to Back, Center, or Lock. And that's it! That's how you embed videos in Microsoft Whiteboard.